Morning students, today we are going to continue our poem Rain in Summer, which is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. So, in previous class we have done these two stanzas and today we are going to do this one. So, before starting today's class, let's take a quick review of previous lecture. So, in this stanza, what we have read, do you remember? So, let me tell you, okay? So, when in summer season, when the temperature is very high and the atmosphere is quite dusty, the roads are burning. That means because of high temperature, the roads are burning. So, at that time, if rain comes, then it is very beautiful because it cools the atmosphere and you feel very good. In this stanza we have read about the sound made when the rainfall hits the roof. So whenever the rainfall hits the roof means chat, okay? So whenever the rainfall hits the roof, then it makes a sound which is similar to walking of a horse. And because the gushes means large quantity of water, and when the rainfall comes, then the amount of water is very large and it get collected on the roof, so it struggles out from the throat of overflowing spout. That means spout, I have told you yesterday that spout is a pipe which is attached to the side of the building so that rainwater can go to that pipe easily to the drains. Okay, so because the quantity of water is very large, so the water struggles because it finds it very difficult to go quickly through this pipe. So in yesterday's class we have done this. Okay, so now today we are going to start. So I hope you understood this poem and you enjoyed it. I hope so. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide. That means from a glass window you can see that it is raining very heavily outside. It is raining very heavily and the rain droplets are falling very quickly, and whenever the rain droplets fall on the glass window, then it looks wider as compared to its normal size. Okay, and it with a muddy tide like the river down the gutter roads, the welcome rain, and this also with a muddy tide. So whenever there is a very heavy rainfall, you can see it from your window pane, and the amount of water is very large, and when it flow down through the gutter, what is a gutter? Gutter is a lower part at the edge of a road through which water flows away. Okay, so this is a gutter. So because the amount of water is very large as it is raining heavily, so it looks like as if a river is flowing down the gutter, and it makes noise just like the river. Just like a river, when it flows it makes a sound, just like that we feel that a river is flowing down the gutter. Okay, the welcome rain. So in this it is written that कि जब भी बारिश होती है तो आप उसको जो है विंडो पेन से देख सकते हो, ग्लास विंडो से देख सकते हो. तो आप इट पोर्स एंड स्विफ्ट एंड वाइड, इसका मतलब पोर्स का मतलब बहुत लार्ज क्वांटिटी में और बहुत तेज़ी से जो है, स्विफ्ट का मतलब बहुत क्विकली बारिश हो रही है, और जब भी वो बारिश की बूंदें आपकी विंडो पे गिरती है तो वो बूंद जो है वो अपने नॉर्मल साइज से थोड़ी सी बड़ी आपको दिखती है. ओके, विथ अ मडी टाइड, और ये मडी टाइड के साथ आता है. मडी का मतलब होता है जो थोड़ा सा धूल, जैसे जब बारिश होती है तब नाली वगैरह जो है उसमें मिट्टी आ जाती है ना, बहता है ना, जब छत आप देखोगे आप घर की छत में, तो वो ऊपर सारा साफ करके मिट्टी मिट्टी सा हो जाता है। विथ अ मड्डी टाइड लाइक द रिवर डाउन द गटर रोड। तो इतना ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश होती है कि गटर, गटर का मतलब नाली, नाली में एक नदी बह रही हो, ऐसा आपको लगेगा। और नदी जिस टाइम जैसे बहती है और उस टाइम जो जैसे आवाज़ करती है, वैसे ही आपको लगेगा कि वैसी आवाज़ आपको सुनाई देगी। रोड्स आवाज़ को बता रहा है यहाँ पे। द रेन, द वेलकम रेन। ओके, सो दिस इज़ अवर लास्ट स्टैंजा। I have written few words, so let's check this words also. So our first word is ports. I have already told you what is the meaning of ports. Ports means to flow quickly and in large quantity. Ports means to flow quickly and in large quantity. बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी जल्दी और large quantity में बहना। तो यहाँ पे बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है। Swift, swift means quick, जल्दी। Muddy, muddy means covered in mud, मिट्टी से लथपथ। Gutter, gutter means a lower part at the edge of a road along which the water flows away. यहाँ पे रेन की वजह से है वो वाटर, तो इसलिए मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा है when it rains। तो गटर का मतलब नाली जिसमें से वो पानी बहता है नॉर्मली। आप सबने देखा होगा, देखा है ना? ओ यस। सो these are few words and I have written the meaning here, and these words you can find while reading this stanza, this particular stanza that we have done today. So let me read the full poem for you from the starting. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and wide, swift and wide, with a muddy tide. Like the river down the gutter roads, the drain, the welcome rain. So it is a beautiful poem. The name of the poem is Rain in Summer. The poet is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.